Today's video is about driving fails, how to not drive and bad drivers. As usual, there's a bonus video at the end. Delivery man uses the sidewalk to get in front of the car while turning left on a red light. Portland, Oregon, Highway 26, Zoo Tunnel, no damage, no injuries. Do not pass on the right. That was my mistake. I was following a black Mercedes E-Class when it switched lanes and crashed into a silver Corolla. That caused the Corolla to rear-end the vehicle in front of it. The Corolla had a child in it that the women were initially concerned about, but it turned out nobody was injured. This big car is pulling off to let me pull onto I-95. As soon as they pass me, the driver turns on his right turn signal. But this car is special, and they don't have time to wait. So they act like the truck pushed them to the side of the road, and they have no choice but to pass. Although if that's true, and the lorry did push them out, they could have slowed down and got back behind the lorry. But that was their plan. If law enforcement had stopped them, this big lorry hit me, and I had to pull over.
So they just look like yours. I remember you were like, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Did they just get in an accident? Yeah. Well,
U-turn from cut-through in rainy weather, enters third of 4 lanes. I get over to second lane, he gets into fourth, then third again and right in front of me. The second, my lane, wide angle of dash cam, does not accurately show how close he was. Then turn right from second lane in front of other cars. My insurance company says they will know if it's totaled after they pick it up this morning. It's got major mechanical problems now.
Fuck me! Fuck! Fuck! Fuck!
An independent report from the scene says the car landed on its wheels, hit a tree, and came to a stop. No one, including the driver, was injured. My husband was driving the camera car. He had been following behind the bus for several miles. Truck driver had been driving aggressively for miles and tried to bully our car only to end up in a ditch.
What the fuck?
State troopers cited the driver for multiple infractions, and his insurance paid out very promptly. First of all, he makes a mistake going to the intersection without checking the right of the way, then backing up, not even looking while backing up. The guy drove through a forbidden sign, which resulted in me hitting him during the icy conditions.
Fucking idiot, you motherfucker, bro! Are you fucking serious, dude?
Oh, not again!
Bro!
This is fucking time!
What the fuck, bro?
So many accidents with this car,
Bro!
man!
Bro!
Fuck!
He went through the wrong way.
Oh,
Bro.
son of a bitch!
Veterans Parkway in Bloomington, Illinois. An oblivious driver in a black Toyota makes a reckless lane change without checking mirrors, nearly causing a high-speed collision. And the bonus video, what are your thoughts? Write in the comments. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.